Welcome to Fly Eats Kitchen. I'm Jessica, your host, and I know it's been a minute, but I'm back with another Fly Eats episode. Today we are switching it up a whole lot because I have not made a chicken recipe on here, so this will be the first. We're gonna get that air fryer out and make an air fried sweet and spicy barbecue chicken thigh recipe that you won't want to miss. Make sure that you like, subscribe, share, comment below, and let's get right into this amazing recipe. I know y'all probably wondering, why the hell are you making chicken when you say you don't eat chicken? Well, I don't, but that doesn't mean that I can't make a bomb chicken recipe, and so that's what this is going to be. It's going to be super simple. You just need some chicken thighs. Make sure that is cleaned completely. We do not have dirty chicken in this kitchen or any kitchen. Make sure you clean your chicken, okay? Vinegar, lemon, water, do the whole process. Yes. So for the spices, very simple as well. You'll need paprika, garlic powder, some salt, some pepper. If you want to add any additional spices, that's up to you. And for the sauce, we're just going to have some sweet and spicy barbecue. That's going to be a perfect balance on this fried chicken thigh. So let's get right into getting our chicken ready. I'm Haitian, okay? So we clean our meat thoroughly. Vinegar, lemon, water, all that good stuff. You cut out any additional excess fat. I kept some of the skin just because some people like really crispy skin and left some of them without, but you leave it on parchment paper, pat it dry. And then in a bowl, I added 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of flour mixed together, added a tablespoon of salt, paprika, pepper, and you're just going to mix that up. That's going to be like our dry rub, okay? Oh, garlic powder, of course. I can't make nothing without garlic. I mean, I guess I could, but why? Why did you want to? So you mix it all together, and this is going to be, like I said, your dry rub so that you can add on top of the chicken. So once it's mixed thoroughly, what you're going to do is grab your bowl of chicken, pour some olive oil on it. I would say about 2 tablespoons is enough, and then go ahead and pour out your dry rub and pour it all over your chicken thighs. You really want to be very thoroughly mixing it in, making sure that all pieces of that chicken is fully coated with our dry rub. So the pieces that have the skin on it, make sure that you lift the skin so that you can get that dry rub completely up under it, so there's no piece or part of there that is not perfectly seasoned like that. Place your skin down in your air fryer. I sprayed a little avocado oil on the actual air fryer so that it doesn't stick, and it just allows like an extra crispiness on the skin. So you're going to place it in your air fryer for about 20 minutes at 350. At 10-minute mark, you're going to flip it so that it can really get crisp up on both sides. The sauce is super simple. You just need a cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. I use the Sweet Baby Ray's brown sugar barbecue sauce, and I mixed in with some sriracha, some honey. Once it starts bubbling, I added some garlic powder because, garlic is life, like I always tell y'all. As soon as it starts to bubble once again, you're going to just put it for a simmer and then grab your golden brown chicken thighs. Damn, that looks so good. Out of the out of the air fryer, and you're just gonna start to go ahead and get your sauce so that you can pour it all over it. Honestly, it's good even without the sauce, you guys. It's perfectly seasoned. You don't have to add it if you don't want to, or you can just have it on the side. But it's Fly Eats. Look at that pour. Okay, pour that thing. Pour it all over that chicken. Once you've coated your chicken, you want to place it back in the air fryer for 3 to 4 minutes at 400 degrees so that it can really caramelize and get ready to taste. Y'all, for someone who doesn't eat chicken, I have to say my air fried chicken thighs are amazing. Look how perfectly caramelized our barbecue sauce is. It's perfectly crispy skin on some of them and some of them without. But I'm sure it's going to be amazing. I'm not going to try this, y'all. I'm not going to play with y'all. I know I'm a flexitarian, but today's not the day to, mess up and jeopardize my stomach. But what I do have is an amazing fly guest who's going to be my test taster and try these chicken thighs. So I have my bonus daughter, Lila, here, who's going to taste our chicken. I know it's going to be amazing, but kids don't lie, so we're going to see. Let's go ahead and grab a piece.
Okay.
And tell me your honest opinion. Go ahead and take a big bite. Well, not that big.
Wow.
How is it? Let her chew first.
Okay. So it's very flavorful. It's sweet and a little bit of spicy. And it's very good.
Yes. And she's not just saying that, okay? Y'all, like I said, kids will tell you the truth, right?
Yes.
All right, you guys, make sure that you try this amazing, simple air fried chicken thigh recipe. Make sure that you like, subscribe, share, comment below, and I'll catch you in another episode of Fly East Kitchen.